Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Yeah, the binary puzzle. In the puzzle page of Saturday, yes, it's still Saturday weekend, June the 17th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and two puzzles remain. Yeah, the tectonic and the binary puzzle. Yeah, it's time for the binary. Yes, binary puzzle number 6610. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, let's get started. Double one, there no. Double one, there no. Double one, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, there no. Double one, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, there no. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay, between two O's comes in 1, between two ones comes in O, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O, between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. This is number 5. Yeah. Then let me see. Between two O's comes in 1, double one. Here no, there no. Let me see. Between two O's comes in 1. And between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Come on. What's happening? Come on. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. No, I know between the 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So that box should be an O. Okay, yeah, double, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's, double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Well. We solved it again. And I like this one. So you do think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.